Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's 7:25 a.m. 1/9/2024 here in Boone, Iowa, and I have the beautiful Ruthie B on video on my phone. And I had booked a load yesterday through the internet truck stop, but they canceled because of a winter blizzard coming in, ladies and gentlemen. And about 3, 4, 5 o'clock yesterday, somewhere around about that time, we had the snow team come in, the snow plow team, and this is what it looks like outside my window. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen, I got mountains of snow all across the Walmart parking lot, and the Walmart employees, well, they're gladly coming in on their snowed plowed parking lot, getting ready to open up Walmart. So if you're feeling like getting something from Walmart here in Boone, Iowa, they're waiting for you here at Walmart. My truck looks like a big snow cube this morning. Sure does. Now the hood was kind of black because my auxiliary power unit, ladies and gentlemen, circulates. Oh, I thought I was going to turn you around. So anyway, it circulates the water through the motor. So it keeps the motor warm so the motor won't freeze. And that's why my hood is being defrosted, because my auxiliary power, my AP unit is circulating water. And that's why the hood is partially defrosted. Yes, we are in winter wonderland here at Walmart, Boone, Iowa this morning at 1/9/2024. Yes, sir. I'm going to get back to the beautiful Ruthie B. And you guys have a wonderful day. God bless. Have lots of fun. And
later.